Listen carefully, because this isn't about exotic substances hiding in space, and it's not about mysterious forces we'll someday fully control. It's about what holds reality together without being directly seen. When scientists look at the universe, they notice something strange. Galaxies rotate too fast. Clusters hold together when they shouldn't. And the universe is expanding, not slowing down, but accelerating. To explain this, physics introduces two ideas: dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter doesn't emit light. It doesn't interact the way ordinary matter does. But without it, galaxies would fly apart. Dark energy is even stranger. It doesn't pull things together. It pushes space itself to expand. Opposite effects, same mystery. Now pause here. Dark doesn't mean evil. It doesn't even mean unknown. It means not directly observable, and that's the important part. Most of what shapes the universe cannot be seen. What you can observe, stars, planets, matter, is not what determines the structure. It's what moves within the structure. The invisible sets the limits. The visible plays inside them. And this principle doesn't stay in cosmology. It appears in awareness. Your thoughts are visible. Your emotions are noticeable. Your actions are obvious. But what shapes them, your assumptions, your conditioning, your nervous system patterns, usually isn't. That's the dark matter of the mind. It doesn't announce itself, but without it, nothing holds together. Then there's something else. The quiet pressure that pushes experience forward, the sense of time passing, the urge to grow, to expand, to move beyond what you were. That's not a thought. It's not an emotion. It's closer to direction. Like dark energy, it doesn't bind. It expands. Most people focus only on what they can see. They try to change thoughts, control emotions, force behavior, but they ignore the invisible framework that makes those things arise. That's why change feels unstable. You adjust the surface while the structure underneath stays the same. Awareness turns toward the unseen, not to name it, not to define it, but to notice its effects. When you become aware of the invisible forces shaping you, your experience reorganizes. Not because you forced it, but because the structure shifted. Here's the key insight. Reality is not built primarily from what is visible. It's built from what governs visibility. Dark matter and dark energy remind us of this, not as literal explanations of consciousness, but as metaphors. Most of reality's influence operates quietly, indirectly, and without display. And awareness works the same way. It doesn't shine, it doesn't push, it doesn't announce itself, it holds, it expands, it sets the stage. The fabric of reality is shaped by what you don't immediately see. And when you learn to sense that fabric, everything you do see begins to make sense. If this message resonated with you, stay connected. Subscribe, follow, and share this with someone who needs it.